Hey everyone, Albert here with FASS Fuel Systems, and I'm super excited to announce the release of 3 new drop-in filtration systems. The DIFS Ram 2001 for the 2003 through 2007 5.9 liter Cummins. The DIFS Ram 3001 for the 2007.5 through 2009 6.7 liter Cummins. And the DIFS 4001 for the 2019 through 2023 6.7 liter Cummins. All 3 of these systems retain the in-tank lift pump and are 100% drop-in with no additional modifications needed. As with our other drop-in systems, these retain full functionality of the OEM water and fuel sensor, filter particulates down to 2 microns absolute, remove at least 99% of water, and increase fuel lubricity by at least 10% by removing entrained air. We offer heater options for all 3 of these kits for improved cold weather reliability. Now to get yours today, please check out fassride.com.